everybody, I'm just coming here with a quick video just to show you guys what I make for breakfast, just to keep my sugar levels low, and it's good for low carb diet. I pretty much use this. I drink this smoothie every day, maybe three, 4 times a week, just to make sure I'm not taking a lot of carbs. I'm trying to stay in shape, and this is how you can do it. Very quick, easy. There's the ingredients. You need your power greens. You can use spinach, kale, chard, whatever greens you have in your home, you can use that. If you want to add a protein powder, you can use this. This is very, very good source of protein. It's called hemp protein. It goes good with the greens juice. Here is your avocado. You need fat. Okay, if you don't eat fat, you're gonna be hungry all the time. This keeps me full for 6-7 hours. I don't snack or I don't binge on sugary food. I use almond milk. You can use regular milk if you're not lactose intolerant. But anytime I drink regular milk, I always get gassy and bloated. So I use almond milk as my liquid and water. If you like it a little sweet, you can use like a sugar replacement. This is called erythritol sugar. It's a 0-calorie sugar. So you can put it in your smoothie if you like it very sweet, but I'm very sensitive to sweet. So sometimes I'll use 1 tablespoon. So you can use 1 or 2. Just depends on your sweet tolerance. This is how you make it. Very easy. First, you put your liquid in. Okay. Then you put your almond milk. I like to do a cup full, like a cup of almond milk. There you go, in there. Okay. Then I use your greens. They say eat 5-6 cups of greens every day. I don't like to eat greens. I don't like salads, but I like to drink my salad. So I don't measure it or anything like that. I just use handful. You can use how many you can tolerate. I use pretty much like 2 or 3, just a handful of your smoothie. Okay, I'm doing a boo-boo. Okay. So say I use 3 handful. I just use my hand to measure. I don't need any cups or anything measuring. And I put my avocado. I use 1 whole avocado on this smoothie. So 1. This is if you want to lessen your fat, you can use half, but I like to use a whole avocado. That's what works for me. Okay, there you go. Okay, so for the sweetener, if you just want to make it sweet a little bit, like some people don't like greens, you know, the greens are very harsh on your palate. If you want to put a little sweetener, don't use regular sugar. This is called sugar replacement, okay? It's a natural sugar, it's 0-calorie sugar. If you can find this brand, I found it on the health food store, Sprouts, or you can go to Trader Joe's, they sell this. So you can just put 1 tablespoon. You can put 1 tablespoon. Sometimes people like to put orange juice, but I don't like apple juice. I used to drink apple juice, but now I try to stay away from it because it gives me sugar high. So I use 1 tablespoon of this, just to give that little sweetness to it. And if you're a protein person, you like your protein powder, you work out a lot, you need extra protein, you can use the hemp protein, but I don't really need protein like that because this has some protein in there. So I'm not going to use that today. I'm just going to give it a blend. If you want it more liquidy, you can add more water to it. If you like it thick, I like mine thick. I like my smoothies thick. So I think we got it right here. So let me put it. I put in my mason jar, fill it up. So it's a little thick, which is good. See, the consistency is very, very thick. It has a lot of good fats, your omega-3s, your vegetables. This is your whole serving of vegetables in a day. Okay, now we're gonna do a taste. Come on, man. Okay, so now we're gonna taste it. Cheers to good health.